Welcome to the Chi Life Mastery Meditation course. In this lesson, I'm going to share with you the Heaven and Earth meditation, how to connect with Mother Earth and with Father Sky. So in this meditation, if you have your Chi coil, just put it on your knee or on your legs, put it in your pocket, or you can put it in front of you. As long as it's near you, that's good. And open the Chi coil app, and we've conveniently created a playlist called Meditate. So you just go to playlist, tap on Meditate, then press play. Turn up the volume. If you have a magnet, you can check the coil, make sure it's vibrating to know that's working. And once you have that set up, now you can begin the meditation. Sit in a nice, comfortable position. Cross your legs if you can. If you can't cross your legs, that's fine. You can sit on a chair. Or you can even be lying down doing this. And have your hands together like this. We're in a relaxed position. Notice I have my index and my thumbs together, and then close my hand, place them together like this. And then close your eyes as we begin this meditation.
When you take your breaths, make sure you don't breathe into your full capacity. Just breathe in about 80% of your lung capacity. When you breathe out, don't breathe out all your air. Always leave about 20% of the air left in your lungs. Now, after taking a few breaths, I want you to imagine a place in nature that you love most, your favorite place to be in nature. Imagine in your own mind, and imagine you are there right now. Imagine smelling the smells, hear the sounds, and see with your mind's eye. What do you see there? What kind of plants are there? What kind of landscape is it? What do you see? What do you hear? Do you hear wind? Do you hear water? Do you hear animals or insects? What do you smell? Do you smell the flowers, plants, the earth? Do you smell the trees? Do you smell the air? Or do you smell the ocean? What do you feel? Do you feel the ground? Do you feel the sun on your skin? Or are you at night? Do you feel the cool breeze? Now, as you imagine that place, I want you to smile and feel happy that you're there. Be thankful and grateful for being in this place. Feel love for nature right now. Feeling with your whole body. Now I want you to imagine a green light now filling up your whole body as you feel the love for nature. Now gather this green light in your body and focus it onto your heart chakra. And imagine all that energy gathering into a green ball to your heart chakra. Imagine that energy gathering more and more, and as that energy grows, let it glow brighter and brighter with more intense energy and emotion for the love of nature. Now that you have this energy ball, imagine sending that ball down deep into the earth, and that'll travel faster and faster down towards the center of the earth. Now imagine that you are that ball, and you're traveling down through the earth, through the crust, the soil, through the rocks, through the caves, through the magma and the hot core, deep into the center of the earth. And once you reach there, imagine that Mother Earth is sending back her love to you into that ball. And now that ball is traveling back through the magma, through the rocks, through the caves, up back through the soil and the ground, and back to you. Now feel that energy ball going into your spine from the bottom, back to your heart chakra. And then now feel that energy ball spreading throughout your whole body. Feel that love that Mother Earth sent back to you. Move throughout your whole body and expand into a bright white light. Smile and appreciate this loving relationship you have with Mother Earth. Feel your connection to Mother Earth. Now I want you to imagine your favorite place in the sky and above. Smile and feel the energy from your heart chakra. Imagine this energy filling up your whole body and gathering into your heart chakra once again. Let the energy ball move up towards your crown chakra and travel up outside of your body, into the sky, into space, or into the universe, to a place, a star system, a galaxy, or a planet, the sun, or another planet in the solar system. Let it travel there right now, faster than the speed of light. Feel yourself as if you were that ball, traveling through the sky, through the clouds, beyond Earth, and to the place that you love the most. Now that you're traveled and arrived at your destination, connect to Father Sky and feel what Father Sky has for you. Feel the love that he is sending back to you. Now imagine the energy ball traveling back faster than the speed of light, back to you, back through your crown chakra, and then down to your heart chakra. And then let that energy ball, the energy of love, now spread throughout your whole body. Feel that sensation through your whole body. Now feel the combination of Mother Earth and Father Sky, a green ball energy and a white ball of energy now coming together in one place in your heart chakra. Let them spin together and create a vortex energy, and a ball of energy that becomes faster and faster and stronger and brighter as it fills up your whole body. Let that energy fill up your whole heart chakra, your torso, your belly, your shoulders, your arms and your hands, your legs, your feet. Feel it expanding throughout every part of your body, getting stronger and stronger. Now gather this energy back up into the ball, slowly drawing it from your arms and your hands, drawing it in from your feet and your legs towards the center of your body. And now let it go towards your heart chakra. Now as you gathered it all in your heart chakra, let it slowly move down towards your sacral chakra, or your navel. Let all that love and energy gather and dissipate in your navel area. And just relax and breathe slowly. And now be thankful for your experience with Mother Earth and Father Sky, and center that energy in your navel on your body. All the light and the movements of the energy, gather that and focus it onto your navel, and just be content right now, breathing gently in your environment.
Now you may come back and slowly open your eyes. And at this point, massage your face, massage your head, brush your arms and your hands and your feet. And just allow yourself time to gather back your consciousness and your wakefulness before you get back up. So that's the end of the Father Sky and Mother Earth connection, heaven and earth connection meditation.